Hey everybody, Bones here, Bones Garage. So we got the 67 Dodge A-100 all set up and we're ready to start her up. All right, Joe, hit it. Oh, does she sound good? Give her a little gas, bud. Oh, that sounds so good. Oh, those pipes are wicked. So those are the side pipes. All handmade. 3-inch tubing bent on my new tubing bender that we just got. Hit it one more time, Joe. Oh, that is so cool. And then if we go inside the truck, there's the motor all done and running. So we got the carb that we just finished rebuilding. It's an old Stromberg WW. New distributor, coil, vacuum advance, all new plugs, wires, manifolds, new alternator, new water pump, new timing chain, new cam, new lifters, all new gaskets. We resealed everything. The exhaust system's completely redone. New clutch, flywheel was turned and flattened. So a lot of work went into this and a lot of wiring has been replaced. Still got some more to do, but she's getting there. Well, anyway, say hi, Joe.
Hi, bye.
Okay, bye.